And we start with Sefer Shmiras Haloshon. And the topic today is step by step. And it says, one who seeks to attain quality of Shmiras Haloshon should use the very opportunity approach of a gossiper. The gossiper makes it its habit to sit among groups involved in the conversation in the hope that he will hear some bit of information that he can ridicule or spread to others. The gossiper is forever in a search of the latest news in double quotes, in his town. So he will have no lack of material, relate all day and night. Okay, so it's not clear when he is going. I mean, we're going to see in a minute, but let's do this piece from the beginning. Very interesting. Step by step. One who seeks to attain quality of Shmiras Haloshon should use the very approach of the gossiper. So we always learn from the other side, right? As we said some time ago about tactics of Hora. Just because you won last time 5 days ago, 5 years ago, does not mean that it's going to let you alone, right? It's going to come, right, from different angle, right? So we should do the same. Just because we try and we fail does not mean that we have to stop, right? Especially if it's something spiritual. Okay, so we have to learn from this gossip monger. The gossiper makes its habit to sit among groups involved in conversation, right? So meaning all of the local news, right? So he would meet everybody. Where did you go? How did it go? Like who else was there? Okay, in hope that he will hear some bit of information that he can ridicule or spread to the others. Okay. The gossiper is, however, forever is searched in the latest news in his town. So he needs to know all of the news in order to communicate with others. So, and there is one person that I know. I mean, he's I don't know. I would not say he's. He asks everybody about all of the information, and the guy has a very good memory. On all of the anniversaries of passing, who is married to who, what the name of the children, and he's invited to all of the weddings. I don't know. So and he always talk about and he would come to somebody and say, "Oh, I think your father's yahrzeit is 2 weeks from now, right?" The guy says, "What? Oh yeah, you're right. Yes, you're right." So this guy knows everything. So I'm not sure why, what is the reason? Maybe to be popular, to have conversation with other people. I don't know. Why would I personally remember the yahrzeit of somebody? I don't know. If it's not my family, for example, my uncles, aunts, other people, I understand, but others, okay. The quality of but he would ask all this information. Yeah, so your nephew got married, okay? Yeah, where? Who's the girl? You don't know who nephew? Well, who cares who the girl is? You understand? So there are people like that, and I see it almost every day. The quality of Shmiras Haloshon should be attained gradually. The first step is to accustom oneself to avoid groups involved in the idle conversation, and to train oneself not to inquire about the latest gossip. One should train himself little by little until he reaches the point where he does not even want to be informed of any gossip. With the passage of time, Hashem will help him, so that Shmiras Haloshon will become as a part of his very nature. He will find it incredible that others can transgress this sin, speaking Lashon Hara, which to him has become something repulsive, like anything else which the Torah prohibits. Okay, so it's a very powerful paragraph, so let's read again and we're going to explain. So one more time. The quality of Shmiras Haloshon should be attained gradually. So because when we learn all of these laws, too much information, but we have to start practicing from somewhere. So what is the first step, right? Gradually. The first step is to accustom oneself to avoid groups involvement in the idle conversation. So it's not like a completely forbidden conversation, idle. Like where's the weather is going to be, like who is going to pray to, who cares who is going, like there is a gabbai, there is a second gabbai, they're going to decide who is going to pray, like what is your business who is going to pray, and all of these things, right? Or who is going to Israel, who is coming from Israel, who is going to be president, who is not going to be president, right? So you know there are people like that. I mean, one or two times you encounter with them, so you know what the conversation is going to be. For sure, many people like like time goes on, they have many gray hairs. They exactly the same conversation as they had no gray hairs. Exactly the same, right? So we must avoid them. Empty conversation, idle conversation, and to train oneself not to inquire about the latest gossip. So so don't ask questions, basically. Have a short answers, right? To be nice, and that's it. So, but conclusive answer. I'm not going to talk. So I came to Shul today, and guy, I mean, he was bored, so he started. He said, "Are you okay?" Do I look okay? I say yes. No, I did not say it. Just show and bow to him, and that's it. That's the end of the conversation. But if I say why you ask, first I'm not talking in the shul, but like even in somewhere like outside, does he care about am I kind? Probably not. But he's looking to open the conversation. Very interesting. Okay, so there you go. With the passage of time, Hashem will help him. So meaning Hashem is going to help, as we spoke about Yosef. If you remember about Yosef, when he exhorted himself to the last ounce of his strength, only then Hashem helped him. Why? Because Hashem saw that he truly wants to not to do it, not to sin. So same is here. Hashem sees that we do everything possible. Of course, He's going to help us. Of course, we have to ask Him for help and count on that help, but exert as much effort as you can, and He for sure is going to help. Right? And Hashem will help. So the Shmiras Haloshon will become part of very nature. Meaning that after reading all of these books, right? So a person should become very sensitive to it, like a person who has allergy or some things, like some people when they come to the flower store, something like they start sneezing, this and that, or in a spring, right? So they have all of the allergies, like red eyes, and you see like red eyes that cannot stop sneezing. Of course, they took the medicine. Then they feel bad even with the medicine, right? So we should spiritually have this resentment to Lashon Hara. So he will find it incredible that others can transgress the sin speaking Lashon Hara, right? How is it possible? Right, so same as the person who has an allergy does not understand why I'm not sneezing, and he has he cannot stop sneezing, for example. So for him is a wonder, right? Which to him has become something repulsive, right? So why would somebody would do that? It's disgusting, repulsive, like anything else that the Torah prohibits. Okay, we stop here.